Hello everyone, welcome to ITlearn360, and in today's video we are going to learn the very important concept that is reports in Jira. So let us go to our software testing academy and from there Jira for software testers, and here we have a separate section which is related to reports in Jira. So our first thing is introduction to Jira reports, and reports plays a very important role and very crucial role in every project, as we all know. And the great part is that Jira itself provides different type of reports for a particular project. Now it helps us to analyze the progress about issues and timeliness of any project. It also help us to analyze the resources as well, that how we are utilizing them. Now here in the slide is easily mentioned that how you can access, but let me show you practically that how you can go to the Jira report page. So first of all, let's go to a particular project. Now from any particular project, you will see down below there is a reports section. So we just have to click on reports and all the reports will be available here. The good part is that all the reports are defined and categorized as well, and there is a definition available for each report as well. Burn down chart, here is its definition. First, we get complete agile based reports. Moving forward, we get DevOps based reports. Next is based on issue analysis based reports. After that, project management and forecast based reports. Then last section is other reports, where usually the reports which come with an additional add-on which we add in our Jira, all those reports will appear here. Like right now, if you see these three apps, these three reports I'm getting because of Ziffer add-on system software which is available in the Jira account of ours. So I hope you got the concept of that, how we can go to the Jira report page and how it looks like. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.